Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the Microsoft Excel function COUNTIF. Now this function is used when we want to count number of cells that fulfills a specific criteria. Now COUNTIF can implement a single criteria and COUNTIFs can implement multiple criteria. So today we are going to discuss the function of COUNTIF only, in which we will be applying various type of criteria to calculate cell. Here we have age of different people and we will be applying different criteria to calculate the number of cells which fulfill that specific criteria. The first one that we will be applying is for when age is more than 65, how many cells fulfill that specific criteria. We need to count those cells. So the formula that applies is like that, is equal to count if. It requires two things. First thing, that is a range. So this is the range in which we want to apply that criteria, comma, and we will to apply a criteria for that. We want all those cells which have age is equal to 65. So we will just type 65, complete the parenthesis, enter. So it shows 2 as outcome, which means there are total 2 cells in the specified range which fulfills the criteria. Now we can also use a specific cell as a reference to apply this formula. For that we use the same one, count if, select the range, comma, and select the specific reference cell. Complete the parenthesis, enter, and it will give total count of the cells which fulfill the criteria. Now if you change the value here, it will automatically change the count based on specified value. Now here we have used relative referencing, but if you tend to drag this formula downwards, you should be using the absolute referencing here. Otherwise the value would change, as we have already discussed in previous video of absolute and relative referencing. Next, if we want to calculate total number of cells which are having two different criteria, like number of cells which are having 65 as number and number of cells which are having 32 as a number. So for that we will simply add two different formulas. We will use COUNTIF, range, and 65 as a criteria, plus we will again use the same formula, COUNTIF, range, and 32 as a criteria. Close the parenthesis, and it will total the number of cells which have both this number. So total 3 cells are there cumulatively which have 65 and 32 as a number in them. Now here also, if we want to have referencing of cell value, then we can use same as well here. We can use the same formula which we have already used, and we can just replace this 65 with the specified cell reference and this 32 with a specific cell reference, and complete the parenthesis. So it will also work with cell referencing. Now suppose we want to calculate total number of cells that have age more than 30. For that we apply the formula COUNTIF, select the range, then we need to apply criteria. For that we would be using double inverted comma or quotations, and we will be using this number along with greater than sign, and that is the reason that we need to apply inverted comma, that we are using greater than sign, so we cannot simply put number here. Greater than 30, complete the inverted comma and complete the bracket, press enter. So it will give us count of cells which have more than 30 years as data. Next, we can also apply cell reference in that as well. For that, we need to change some format in this formula. Select the range. Now we need to apply greater than this specific cell. For that, double inverted comma, greater than, we need to complete the double inverted comma, use the operator AND here, then select the cell, complete the parenthesis, and it will give us count of cell which have age more than 30 and by utilizing a cell reference. Now suppose we want to calculate the number of cells which have age range between 30 and 70 years. For that, we need to first calculate the number of cells which has age more than 30. For that, we will be using the formula like this. Complete the parenthesis. So it gives total number of cells which have age more than 30. Now what we need to do? We need to minus the number of cells which have age more than 70 years. Then it will give us number of cells which have age range between 30 to 70. So minus count if, select the cell range, and we want to deduct those cells which have age more than 70 years. Complete the parenthesis, and it will give total number of cells which have age range between 30 to 70 years. Next, if we want to calculate the number of cells between that range by using cell referencing, we can do the same as we have already done by using operator AND. For that, we will type count if, select the range, comma, double inverted comma, greater than, use operator AND and select the cell reference. Complete the parenthesis, minus count if, select this range, comma, double inverted comma, more than, use operator AND and select the second cell. Complete the parenthesis and press enter. So this will give us the same reference or formula, but here the cell referencing can be utilized. So that is all of using COUNTIF function along with numbers. The COUNTIF function can also be used along with text, and that example we will be seeing in the next video. Hope you would have learned something new in this video. If you do have, kindly like and share the video. Comment if you are having any issue in implementing this kind of function. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon against that button so that you can get all the updated videos as a notification in your YouTube. Thank you.